Hey G-Squad, welcome back to an episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, the cool things are here, and basically what these are some high quality chef knives. So for this product, they actually have it in 3 different colors. They have it in blue, they have it in black, and they also have it in gray. But I decided to go for these 2 colors right here because I love blue and the black one just looks very nice. So I've reviewed a lot of other knives in the past and those work really well. Ranging from like chef knife to butcher knife and the list goes on. But if you guys can see the way how they design these chef knives is very different. So what makes these knives stand out is the material that they use on here. So they use a Japanese ASU 10 steel. And basically what the benefits of using that type of steel is the fact that these knives actually stay sharper for a longer period of time compared to your traditional knives. But if you guys want to use it for like cutting stuff very thin, you can definitely do that on here. And I really like the design of the actual handle as well. If I'm saying, it actually looks very nice. And also if you guys look the way how to design this part right here, it gives you guys a better grip when you guys are using it to chop stuff, slice stuff, or whatever. And I'll show you guys what I mean in a second. And probably one of the coolest thing about this knife right here is the fact that it's basically like a hybrid if you guys think about it. It's basically like a combination of like the Japanese and German knives. So usually Japanese knives are straight and the German knives are rounded. And when you guys combine both of that, you can basically do everything that both knives can do, such as for chopping stuff, rocking stuff, slicing stuff. You can basically do all of that on here that you guys usually require 2 knives to use if you guys were to get like a Japanese knife and German knife separately. But that is basically everything about the product. Let me actually take it out to show you guys what it actually looks like first. So we'll start with the black one right here first. Alright. So when you guys pull it out, they have this option for you guys to pull it out, which is pretty nice. And obviously when you guys take it out, you want to be really careful since it is a sharp knife. So when we open up this part right here, you can definitely see the knife right underneath it. So you definitely want to be careful. So when we lift it up, you guys can see the knife inside. So I'm actually put this down first. So you can see right here, they provide you guys a quick starter guide to teach you guys how to use the product and how to maintain it. So basically right here, they teach you guys how to hold the knife right here and tell you guys how to take care of it. So you do want to hand wash it with like warm and soapy water. You want to dry it immediately after washing. If you want to store it safely to actually protect the knife and protect yourself because it's actually really sharp. They mention how you should not put it in dishwasher. You do not want to soak the knife in water. And obviously if it's the first time you use the product, you definitely want to wash it with warm water and soap. But that is basically everything on here. And right here, you can see we have the knife right here. So this is a black color one. So I'm actually take it out first. Alright. So when you guys take it out, this is basically what the product looks like. If you guys can see, it definitely looks like a high quality knife. And it's definitely super sharp. So you definitely want to be careful when you guys handle this knife. And when you turn it on this side right here, you can definitely see this part right here. That is basically what they meant right here in terms of the way how to design it. So the way how to design this part right here definitely give you guys a better grip when you guys actually hold it. And you just want to slice stuff like this really easily. But like I mentioned, for this knife, it's actually really sharp. Let me show you guys how sharp it is. So I got this piece of paper right here. Let's test it out. Alright. So you can see how sharp the knife is right here. And if you need 2 hands to hold the piece of paper, and you can see how it's sliced through really easily. And basically the same thing applies to other color that I have as well. So this one right here, you can see it is the black color and definitely looks like a high quality material that they use on here. It feels really nice and very smooth, but definitely give you guys a very good grip as well. But this is basically what it actually looks like for the one that we got right here. Let me take out the other one as well to show you guys what that one looks like as well. Alright, so right here is the blue one. So basically want to use this tab right here and pull it out, just like the other knife. And this is basically actually looks like with this one right here. If you can see, everything is basically the same. So when you guys open up this part right here, they basically provide you guys the instruction here as well. And this is basically what this one looks like right here. Let me actually take it out as well. Alright, when we take it out, you can see that this is basically actually looks like the one that we got right here. Definitely looks like a high quality knife, if you can see. This one is their chef knife, and they do have the logo right here. And the handle, if you can see right here, is blue, compared to the other one was black. But if you can hear the material on here, definitely sounds like a high quality material. And you can see right here is actually really sharp as well. So we actually test it. Alright. If you guys can see how sharp the knife is. So if you guys want to use this for like chopping stuff or slicing stuff, you can definitely use it however you guys want to. As long as you guys are careful using it, then you should be fine. But see, even that quick little test using the knife to actually cut the paper, you can see how sharp it is. It's literally so sharp to the point where I don't need to hold the paper with 2 hands. I can still cut it, if you can see. So what I recommend is that when you guys use this knife, you probably want to use like a bamboo board to actually like chop stuff, slice stuff, or whatever. I don't recommend using like the plastic one because of how sharp it is. But if you guys want to and you don't have like the bamboo board, then it should be fine. But that is basically everything that's on the product. Now to go unboxing and testing the product. Now to answer the question of whether or not it's actually worth or not. So for this product, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one or need one of these. Especially if you guys trying to look for a high quality chef knife to use for like chopping stuff or slicing stuff, or even for rocking. You can definitely use this in all those situations since it is a hybrid knife where it combines both a Japanese and German knife together. So if you guys want a knife that can do all of that, then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or haven't one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save the money for something else that you actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out, and it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.